Hello everyone, welcome back to our talk show Talk Table. I know it's been more than a week हमने कोई भी वीडियो अपलोड नहीं किया है, but here we are with all your support and love. Today we are with Miss Shruti Daga, a student pursuing sports management, a national level athlete, a Olympic athlete manager and what not. Please welcome her. Let's start the interview. Hello Shruti ma'am, welcome to our channel Talk Table. How are you ma'am?
Thank you. I'm good. How are you? Thank you so much for inviting me.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आवर प्लेजर. मैं भी बहुत बढ़िया हूँ. आपका लॉकडाउन पीरियड कैसा जा रहा है मैम?
My lockdown period was good. It had few ups and downs because we're not used to staying at home, and especially people like us, like sports persons, they're not usually stuck at home. But it did give me a lot of options to explore other things.
Yeah, exactly. Ma'am, please tell our audience something about you.
So I'm currently based in Delhi. I've been born and brought up in Delhi, and I've pursued my graduation from Jesus and Mary Delhi University, and I'm currently pursuing my masters from IISM Mumbai. And I've worked for a few leagues, as well as I'm a national level athlete, and I've played football for my college team.
Wow, that's so amazing. So, are you playing right now or just focusing on your studies only?
So I have played, but I'm not continuing right now because of the lockdown.
Right.
But yeah, I'm continuing with my job and internship opportunities that I've got.
Right. So, as you said, you are exploring many things in your lockdown period. So, is there something new you learned or you have explored in this period of lockdown?
Yeah, I think I wasn't much into cooking, which I clearly did explore. And apart from that, I think it was important for me to learn and develop myself personally,
Right.
so I could work on my, patience skill and the other skill that requires me to go ahead with.
Right. Totally agree on that. Can you please, ma'am, walk us through your journey to being an athlete and how do you choose this sports management course and everything?
Yeah, absolutely. So, since when I was a child, I used to love running around. I used to just love playing, and there was not any particular sport that I was targeting. So, I started with, competing in tournaments, basic tournaments like school level, and then I had my first national level tournament when I was in 7th grade, and I think that's when I started to take sports a bit more seriously. And that's how I started to represent my state as well, and my school, which was a big deal for me, and started to win medals. And that's how it went. And sports is something that's very close to me because I think the opportunities I've got because of sports, and today wherever I stand is somewhere because of sports. And after that, I continued playing till my 3rd year of college. And right after that, I thought, I want to continue with sports. So it's not particularly just being a player, but I want to continue pursuing it even ahead. So which is why I decided to choose sports management.
So, you were a national player. So, why did you choose that sports management field and not BPEd and MPEd things, the physical courses around there for the sports?
Actually, I wanted to get into the Athletic Federation of India. I want to work with them and help the athletes. So the problems that I had faced during my time, I want, if I can help the other athletes. So luckily I had some sort of privilege. I didn't face that many problems, but yeah, I see a lot of athletes who are facing so many problems, especially females. So I wanted to be a part of the AFI, I want to be a part of these governing bodies and help the sports industry overall.
Right. You have mentioned problems. Can you please tell me what kind of problems were there for especially for female athletes?
So I see that there are a lot of problems in terms of traveling, in terms of the money that you have, in terms of your diet and protein, as well as there are many other additional factors. Mental health also comes in place. So I mean, it's difficult for females because we just don't have one responsibility. There's so many other responsibilities you take care of, and I think these are the problems that a lot of females face. But I did feel privileged because I had some of the other opportunities coming in, whereas my parents also supported me full-fledgedly. So I was quite happy for that.
Right. There are many girls around there, female athletes around there, जिनको उतना सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है, या कभी
Absolutely.
अगर घर से मिल रहा होगा तो उनको प्रॉपर हम कैसे ट्रेनिंग नहीं मिलती है. So it's a यार इधर हम स्पेसिफाइड अगर ना हो फीमेल एथलीट्स के लिए तो ये मेल एथलीट्स के लिए भी सेम ही है.
Right, absolutely. I think problems सभी face करते हैं,
Right.
and you know, we just want to help them more and more because they all have that talent, and हम चाहते हैं कि वो और अच्छे level पे पहुंचे. So there's so many people who have left their studies and you know they want to represent India, and which is why we want to help them grow to that level.
Yeah, right. Are you planning to represent India somewhere?
So my ultimate goal was to represent India, but now that I've started into sports management, so my aim still continues to be the same. I want to represent India by being a sports manager. I want to work in different leagues and you know different areas, probably some different countries, and represent India.
Wow, that's a nice plan. It sounds. So I want to know, according to you, what is sports?
Sports is love. I mean, apart from what love is, I think sport has actually given me a lot of, you know, in terms of tackling life events, and you know, there are so many areas where you get stressed, and you know, I think sports is one of the things which have helped you tackle all of them all together. And there are so many things you manage in your day-to-day life, which sport has definitely helped. And one more major advantage of being in sport is that you know you get to connect with so many people around India and around globe. So which is a very very positive and nice thing. And this is something that I really look forward to because I love socializing and I love traveling. And I think this opportunity has only been given to me because of sports.
Right. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है पेरेंट्स के साथ, मतलब हर फैमिली में, हर स्पोर्ट पर्सन की फैमिली में, क्योंकि एक मोमेंट आता है अगर आपके पेरेंट्स उस फील्ड से बिलोंग नहीं करते हो, उनका बैकग्राउंड स्पोर्ट्स में ना रहा हो, तो देयर इज ऑलवेज अ मोमेंट जब पेरेंट्स का एक थॉट आता है कि स्पोर्ट्स में ना जाके प्लीज फोकस ऑन स्टडीज फर्स्ट. हैव यू फेस दैट मोमेंट इन योर लाइफ?
Yeah, right. So my parents also they belong into the business family, and you know मेरे लिए भी ऐसा काफी बार आया था positions where I had to choose studies over sports, but I think it's you know something that you're dedicated of. अगर आप अपना dedication उसमें show करो, आप उन्हें prove करो, तो definitely I think you know they'll also agree, they'll support you to that level as well.
Yeah, totally agree. Imagine you are a teenager, मतलब
Yeah.
ठीक है, इमेजिन यू आर अ टीनेजर, तो क्या एडवाइस करोगे आप अपने उस टीनेज श्रुति को जो आज आप देख रहे हो, एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो, उसके अकॉर्डिंग?
The only advice I would love to give is keep exploring. I think there are plenty of opportunities that we don't see, and मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि there are a lot of things we can explore and you know we can try out and go forward with it. A lot of people think कि हम एक opportunity हमें नहीं मिला तो हम आगे नहीं जा सकते, या you know we get stuck with our dreams that are we pursuing, you know, are we going in the right direction or not.
Right.
So I think the only advice I would like to give is that keep exploring, because I think there are plenty of things we can go ahead with.
Right. Like as you said, being a sports management person, I also have felt that कि एक जब हम स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट में एक एंटर करते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स में एंटर करते हैं, तो एक सेकंड थॉट आपके दिमाग में आने लगता है. कोविड पेंडेमिक ऐसा टाइम है, इट्स बीन 1 year, मोर देन अ ईयर. तो अब ऐसा टाइम आ गया है जब लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है कि आगे क्या होगा, फ्यूचर में हमको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगी कि नहीं, कैरियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट? लाइक इट इज गुड और बैड, और व्हाट इट इज, व्हाई दे आर गेटिंग?
To be honest, it is. I know a lot of people have been getting, which is a bad thought, because जो हमारी positiveness है वो वैसी दिखाई नहीं जा रही है. So you know, I think a lot of people have not been positive throughout the pandemic in terms of whether they'll get the job, and some people have left their job as well. So I still think that there are plenty of opportunities they can still go for, even during the pandemic times. And the one thing that pandemic has given us is to, you know, develop ourselves in many other ways. तो जब आप अपने आप को डेवलप करते हो तो आप और भी आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुल जाती है कि आप अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर कर पाओ. सो आई थिंक दिस इज इट.
Yeah. So, how can they? You said they should develop themselves. So, how should they develop themselves or their personalities according to you?
So I think first and the foremost important thing is कि आप पूछो अपने आप को that what are your interest areas. You know, once you know what your interest areas are, then you start working on it. So, for example, I love traveling, I love, socializing, I love communicating with different people, getting to know their stories, and I love sports. So, if I wanted to go ahead in sports, I have to have my own research, I have to connect with the right people. There's so many platforms where we can connect with different people and, talk to them about their journey and learn from them. So, I think there are plenty of ways.
Right. Totally agree on that. Thank you so much for that advice. It will surely help जितने भी बच्चे हैं स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट परस्यू कर रहे हैं. तो एक ये जो पेंडेमिक है उसने एक पॉज बटन रख दिया है हर किसी की लाइफ में. हम बिजनेस में ले लें या स्टूडेंट लाइफ में ले लें या किसी भी हर बोल सकते हैं हम हमारी होम लाइफ में भी नॉर्मल लाइफ में भी एक पॉज का बटन एक आ गया है. तो स्पोर्ट मैनेजमेंट के करियर में कि जब अभी तक ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, एवरीथिंग इज अनलॉक्ड, मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर अनलॉक्ड, पर अभी स्पोर्ट करियर में स्पोर्ट फील्ड में ऐसा मोमेंट आने में ऐसा लग रहा है कि टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि वहाँ पे फिजिकल कनेक्शन ज्यादा होता है लोगों का. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, लाइक व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स कि पॉज बटन हटेगा तो मतलब पॉज बटन या अनपॉज होगा तो कैसा रहेगा, और अभी है जो क्या सिचुएशन चल रही है हमारे स्पोर्ट फील्ड में या मैनेजमेंट फील्ड में?
So, जैसे आपने कहा डेफिनेटली एक बहुत बड़ा पॉज लग गया है. जो हम IPL और ऐसे बड़े बड़े इवेंट्स को देखना चाहते हैं टीवी पे, वो भी प्लेयर्स भी नहीं खेल पा रहे, एंड इट हैज डेफिनेटली अफेक्टेड द एंटायर स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर मनी एज वेल एज द टाइम. So planning and there are many other things that has been affected, but I think it's still moving. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया that there are plenty of other opportunities also in terms of sponsorship, in terms of marketing. So जो companies अभी भी hire कर रहे हैं, and I think that we can always have the option of exploring these particular verticals in the sports industry. एक बार जब events वहाँ पे शुरू हो जाएंगे, as we see कि pandemic धीरे धीरे ठीक हो रहे हैं, and we are hoping that by 22 we see a lot of changes.
Right.
Once everyone's vaccinated. So I think that after that everything is going to start full-fledgedly. There are going to be plenty of other opportunities कि जो भी और किस वे में भी aim कर रहे हैं, they can actually target that and go ahead with it.
राइट. एक बहुत ज्यादा ही एक बोल सकते हैं टाइम हो गया है स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स को बंद हुए. अभी चाहे वो मैनेजमेंट फील्ड से बिलोंग करते हों, चाहे वो खुद स्पोर्ट पर्सन्स हों, या कुछ ऐसे बच्चे हैं एथलीट्स हैं जो अपना स्पोर्ट ही ऐसा करियर देख रहे हैं, अब वो लोग भी ढूंढने मैं कुछ इंटरव्यूज लाइक हमने कुछ एथलीट से बात करी थी कुछ टाइम पहले, तो उनका ये था कि एक स्पोर्ट पर्सन होता है उसको एक टाइम के बाद उसको ना अपने जॉब की बहुत चिंता होने लगती है, क्योंकि अभी जो पेंडेमिक है उसके बाद उन लोगों को समझ में आया कि स्पोर्ट इज नॉट द थिंग जिससे आप एक ऐसे पेंडेमिक टाइम में आप जिससे फुलफिल कर सकते हो अपनी नीड्स को. तो व्हाट आर द लाइक करियर ऑप्शंस दे कैन परस्यू अकॉर्डिंग टू यू rather than sports?
Okay, so एक बार जब हम sports में आ जाते हैं, so what I feel is that we get connected with sports, and most of the sports person they would love to explore something within the sports industry. So career option बहुत सारे हैं. कोई railways में चला जाता है, कोई they start to get into the management side, कोई coach बनता है, कोई physical education pursue करता है, someone becomes a nutritionist, and there are many other opportunities that do come up. So उनको बस एक right direction देखना है, and this is what I want to work on. I want to help these people know that there are plenty of career opportunities. It's not just your sport, but you can actually get into other sports, explore them, have a feel that how the other industry works. So plenty and plenty of opportunities.
Yeah, right. एक साल से ज्यादा हो गया है हम सब इस पैंडेमिक में हैं, और बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने लव्ड वंस को खोया है. तो इसके चलते बहुत सारे लोग डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, मेंटल इलनेस और बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ों का बोल सकते हैं विक्टिम रहे हैं जो वो खुल के नहीं बताना चाहते हैं और दे आर स्टिल लाइक फेसिंग दैम। तो मेंटल इलनेस एक बोलते हैं कि हमारी सोसाइटी में भी इसको लोग इतना अच्छे से एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं। तो व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन मेंटल इलनेस? आई वांट टू नो कि इस मेंटल इलनेस मतलब जिस तरीके से हम फील कर रहे हैं, इज इट हमको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, उसको कैसे सपोर्ट करना चाहिए? अगर हम उसको खुद को फेस कर रहे हैं तो हाउ शुड वी लाइक हम उसको कैसे रिकवर कर सकते हैं?
So definitely mental health has come into picture since the pandemic and before that as well, but a lot of people haven't taken that seriously before the pandemic. But during the pandemic, when one itself started to realize that this is happening with themselves, then they started to give that sort of importance. So what I feel is that it's very important for us to look out and take care of each other. I think talking is the best solution. मुझे लगता है कि we should full-fledgedly support this because this is not something small. This is something that could turn out to be suicidal thoughts and many other thoughts, right, which we don't want to see because of so many people losing so many other loved ones, and it's very difficult. So I feel is that talking actually helps. Some anyone you can talk to, probably your loved one, your friend, your family, anyone you can talk to, and probably also you can do is that जो आपको इंटरेस्ट है, जिस चीज में इंटरेस्ट है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको स्पोर्ट्स खेलने में इंटरेस्ट आ जाता है या फिर आपको जस्ट गो आउट एंड मीट पीपल, तो एटलीस्ट आप उनसे फोन पे बात कर सकते हो, आप उनसे वर्चुअली बात कर सकते हो। तो मतलब देयर इज अ सोल्यूशन फॉर एवरी एंड अदर प्रॉब्लम। तो आई फील दैट वी जस्ट हैव टू लुक फॉर द सोल्यूशन, दैट्स ऑल।
राइट, आई एग्री ऑन दैट। पर ऐसे मूवमेंट आ जाते हैं जैसे हमने अपने किसी फैमिली मेंबर को खो दिया है, बट फिर हम अपने आप को ही एक अपने बबल में रख लेते हैं कि नहीं, वी डोंट वांट टू कनेक्ट विद एनीवन एंड एनीथिंग। तो वो चीज़ें हमारे दिमाग में घर कर जाती हैं, फिर वील स्टार्ट फीलिंग एंजाइटी एंड एवरीथिंग, और जो भी आपने बोला मतलब गलत थॉट्स हमारे दिमाग में घर कर लेते हैं। तो अभी लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हम मिल भी नहीं सकते उन लोगों से, हम फोन पे इतना इंटरेक्शन नहीं हो पाता है हम लोगों का। तो इज द मेडिटेशन और एक्सरसाइज द ओनली वे टू लाइक वे आउट, और इज देयर anything you want to suggest on that?
So apart from meditation and yoga, personal workouts, definitely these are the things. But apart from that, I think self-analysis is a very important factor. अगर आप खुद सोचो आप किस लेवल तक आए हो, आप इतना लंबा आपका जर्नी रहा है, तो there has to be some sort of purpose. मतलब आप अपने आप को उस वे में मोटिवेट कर सकते हो दैट मेरा गोल ये है, मुझे ये अचीव करना है, मैं इस लेवल तक आ गई। सो आई थिंक बहुत सारे हर्डल्स आएंगे बीच में लाइफ में, बट व्हाट वी हैव टू सी इज आवर अल्टीमेट गोल। तो आई थिंक दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ माइंडसेट वी ऑल हैव टू स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग, एंड लाइक आई सेड, अपने आप मेडिटेशन, योगा, दीज थिंग्स डेफिनेटली वर्क आउट, एज वेल एज आप किसी को भी कभी भी रीच आउट करो। देयर आर सो मेनी मेंटल हेल्थ पेजेस दैट हैव बीन पुट अप. We can actually talk to each other. Even talking to a stranger also is now helping a lot of people in terms of the mental health, because you're just taking out that stress that you have within you. So I think it's a very it's been given a lot of importance these days, and I hope it continues to be given this much importance.
Right. Totally agree on that. I want to know कि आपने कितनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ अभी तक काम किया है?
So I have started with my journey with Airtel. So मैंने उनके साथ Airtel Delhi half marathon किया था, and apart from that I've worked with Z Sports, and उसके बाद मेरा खेलो इंडिया का जर्नी शुरू हुआ था, where I got my first big opportunity in खेलो इंडिया as a venue manager. तो मैंने खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स, यूनिवर्सिटी गेम्स विद DNA के साथ काम किया था, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट फिर मैंने TCM 21st Century Media इज अ मीडिया कंपनी, मैंने उनके साथ काम किया था इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पॉन्सरशिप। फिर उसके बाद नाउ आई एम एक्चुअली मैनेजिंग ओलंपिक एथलीट्स, सो आई एम वर्किंग विद स्पोर्टवाइज इंडिया।
वाओ, सच अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव। आपका फेवरेट और हम कह सकते हैं जिसको आपका इंटरेस्ट जिसमें ज्यादा हो, कौन सा फील्ड है स्पोर्ट मैनेजमेंट फील्ड में? इज इट वेन्यू ऑपरेशंस और समथिंग लाइक दैट? एज यू मेंशन आप वेन्यू ऑपरेशन था, फिर नेक्स्ट आपका एक्सपीरियंस स्पॉन्सरशिप में था, एंड यू आर अगेन इन द लाइक मैनेजमेंट थिंग, सो
Yeah.
व्हाट आर मोस्ट इंटरेस्टेड इन?
So I am very much interested in event and operations. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, when we get to organize the events that we were a part of, that's a very good feeling. और like I said, मेरे को इंडिया को represent करना है in some way or the other. तो मेरा ये ultimate goal है that I work with different leagues and tournaments, and be able to represent that okay, there are people from India who are so well educated, and they're coming up with such good ideas. So I think मेरा event and operations में सबसे ज़्यादा है, but apart from that, athlete representation is my other interest.
Wow, that's so good. I can assure you कि ये जो इंटरव्यू है वो स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट स्पेसिफाइड कर रही हूँ मैं, स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट वाले बच्चों के लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियली रहने वाला है ये, बिकॉज कि हम स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट हम एक कोई भी कोर्स चूज कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद हमको चीजें उसके बारे में धीरे धीरे इट्स लाइक एन अनियन, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे उसकी लेयर खुलती जाती है, तब हमको समझ में आता है लाइक वो चीज है क्या, उसके पहले हम उतना रिसर्च नहीं करते हैं। तो अभी
Right.
अभी अब हम कोर्स में आ गए हैं, फिर उसके बाद अब वो अपना नया अपनी अपनी फील्ड चूज करेंगे। तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एडवाइजिंग।
No, it's my pleasure. Thank you so much for inviting me. I really hope कि अगर एक भी person को इससे inspiration मिलती है, and I'm actually very open, if anyone can reach out to me anytime if they have any doubts in terms of sports management, if terms of sports career, I can help in my capacity.
Right, I'll link your LinkedIn ID and inside you on the description box. Yeah. So any message for our viewers you have?
I just want to say, first of all, I just want to thank you, and thank you everyone who is watching me. And I really hope that whatever we have spoken about today, it does get implemented to somewhere or the other to the audience as well. तो in terms of mental health wise, in terms of career, कहीं पर भी आपको कुछ भी डाउट आता है, अभी गूगल में इतना सब कुछ रिसर्च कर सकते हो, in terms of you can reach out to people also. तो I just hope that everyone takes care of themselves, and I just hope everyone is safe. That's all.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shruti. Thank you so much for your time, and like we are very glad that you allowed us for your interview.
No, it's my pleasure. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much, ma'am.